Concerns over passengers' departure at Niue Airport continues as some people persist on arriving at the departure gate after it's closed. Continuing disruptions with airport security has had visitors and overseas airline staff comment on locals who do not adhere to advices from airport check-in staff to go through the security gate. According to Air New Zealand GSA on the island, people has bad attitude and some passengers do not know the importance of adhering to security advisories, and part of the responsibility must lie with the police to make sure the law is enforced. The airport security law is the same in every port, and if passengers can follow airport and security advisories at international ports, they should do the same on the island. However, it seems some passengers are willing to risk being locked out and missing the flight, then adhering to advisories from security staff.